Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you new chapter. The name of the chapter is integers. So here I am writing few numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Such numbers, those are starting from 1. These numbers are coming under the category of a natural number. These are natural number. If we will include 0 also in these numbers, then such numbers are known as whole numbers. These are whole numbers. If we will take minus number also, these are positive numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If we will take minus number also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Such numbers came under the category of integers. These all are integers. Integers. Now integers which are having minus sign, these numbers are known as negative integer. And these are positive integers. Those are having plus sign. Those integers are known as positive integers. And 0 is neither negative nor positive. 0 is such integer which is neither negative nor positive. Now in order to represent the integers, we have to use a special symbol, that is I, or we can use Z also, capital Z, capital I or capital Z. These are the symbols which are used to denote the integers. Now we will do the question number first of the exercise, first A. Question number first is, write the following set in set builder form as well as in tabular form. We have to write set builder as well as tabular form. First question, part number first. Integers we have to write greater than -4 and less than 1. This is the question, and we have to write tabular form as well as set builder form. Another name of tabular form is roster method. Another name of set builder is rule method. And one more thing is asking in the question, you have to represent it on the number line. We have to draw number line also. At the end we have to draw number line. So in the tabular form, first of all, what we will do, curly bracket we will take. We have to write all the integers which are greater than -4. Greater than -4 is -3. Then -2 is greater, -1, then 0. Now after 0, 1 is coming, we will not take 1 because we have to write less than 1. So these are the integers and we have written them in the tabular form. This is the tabular form. Now set builder form. Beginning we have to do like this, x such that x belongs to I, or you can use z also. It is your choice. X, these all values are integer, so x belong to integers. Now comma we will put x is greater. Towards the x we have to put open sign. X is greater than -4, so here we will write -4. Towards x we have to put close sign. Close means less than. X is less than 1, so here we will write 1. This is the set builder form. Now we have to draw the number line. In order to draw number line, in the middle we have to take 0. On the right side of 0 we have to take positive numbers. On the left side of 0 we have to take negative numbers. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we will take negative number 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now minus 3 we will check. Where is minus 3? Minus 2. Here it is minus 3. So we will put here one mark. This is minus 3. Minus 2 is this one. Here also we will put one mark. Minus 1. And after that 0. So this is your number line. Like this you have to draw the number line. Here you can put numbers also in between. Here space is not there. This one more space is not there on the board. That's why I am not writing the number. You can write the number here also. Minus 4. After that minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Like this you can put the numbers also. Okay. So this is the first question, first part. Now see part number 4th. First question, 4th part. Fourth part. We have to write both tabular form as well as set builder form, and then we have to draw the number line also. In the fourth part we have to write integers greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1. So greater than minus 1 is 0. After that 0. Greater than 0 is 1. In the question it is written less than or equal to 4. We have to write all the integers which are less than 4, but equal to what is also coming, so we can write 4 also. So less than 4 and equal to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. These all integers are less than 4 and equal what is also coming, so we will take 4 also. Now we will write the set builder form x such that x belong to integer, comma x values are greater. Greater means open sign. We have to write all the integers greater than minus 1. X close sign, close means less than. Less than 4 is given in the question, but after that equal word is also there. Less than equal. For equal you have to put one line here, downside of this inequality sign. Under the inequality sign we will put one equal sign. This symbol represents equal. So x is greater than minus 1 and less than equal to 4. This is your set builder form. Now we have to draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we will take negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now we have to show which numbers? 0. 0 is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. These all integers we have to show on number line. That's why we are putting here marks. These marks we are putting because these numbers are those which we have to show on the number line. So this is your question number first. Like this you have to do the remaining parts also. Now all of you see question number second. Second question is we have to put greater than or less than sign. So here in the first part minus 3 dash 1 is given. This is negative number and this is positive number. So whenever one negative and one positive number is given, then in that case you have to remember positive number is always greater than the negative number. So positive number is greater, that's why we will put open sign. Towards 1 we will put open sign because positive number is greater and negative number is smaller. Now here in next part, part number 4, you will observe both the numbers are negative, both are having minus sign. So in such case what you have to remember, the number which is looking smaller, that is greater. Here both the numbers are negative, so whenever both the sign will be negative, the number which is looking smaller, as here 12 is looking smaller, so this is not a smaller number, this is larger number. So in the negative opposite we have to take, smaller number will be greater one. Now here in this part number 6, absolute sign is coming. This sign is absolute sign. Long marks are given, inside this one number is written. So such symbols are known as absolute. So what is absolute? And in order to write the absolute value, we have to omit the sign. Omit means you have to leave the sign. So inside this absolute, minus sign is coming. So when we will write absolute value, minus will get removed. Then absolute value will be 7. Same work we have to do here also. So first of all, what we will do? In order to solve this absolute, we will leave this minus sign. So answer will be 15 dash. Absolute when we will remove, then we will remove the sign also, either plus or minus, whatever sign will be there, that sign we will not write. So directly we will write the number 17. Now this is 15 and this is 17. 17 is greater, that's why we are putting here this sign. So in this fill up also we will put like this sign. Same work we have to do here also. Absolute is starting from here and ending till here. So minus sign is coming. So when we will solve this absolute, minus will get removed. Answer will be 17. Minus. Again absolute is coming. So when we will remove this absolute, 15 will be the answer. Dash. Here you will observe that absolute starts here. This is the starting place of absolute. And here absolute is getting end. So in between two numbers are coming, so we will not remove the absolute sign. First of all, we will solve these two numbers. So absolute we will write as it is, minus 17 and plus 15. Answer will be minus 2. Minus plus hota hai minus, so we will subtract them. 17 minus 15 will be 2. Which one is greater? 17 is greater. 17 is having minus, that's why we are putting minus sign. Now 17 minus 15 is 2. Dash. Absolute of minus 2 is given. Absolute of minus 2 means when we will remove the absolute sign, minus will also get removed. So here it will be 2. Now these two are equal to each other, so we will put here equal sign. Here also we will put equal sign, and here also we will put equal sign. So like this you have to do question number 2nd. Now question number 3rd you have to do by yourself. You have to arrange all these integers in the ascending order. Ascending means first of all you have to write smaller number. Smaller to larger you have to write. So question number 3rd you have to do by yourself. Question number 4th is question 4. Absolute of minus 3, absolute close, minus again absolute 6 minus 2. So when we will remove the absolute sign, minus will also get removed. Answer will be 3. Minus. Absolute sign we will not remove because inside the absolute two numbers are there. We will solve them. Absolute we will write as it is. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Now 3 minus. Absolute when we will remove, we have to write the number only. Number is 4. Now 3 minus 4 answer is minus 1. So this is your final answer of first part. Now part number 3rd. Third part, minus 12, absolute of minus 12 plus absolute of 6 minus absolute of 3 minus 3. This is a question. When we will remove the absolute sign, minus also we will remove. We have to write 12 plus remove the absolute sign and directly we will write 6 minus sign. Remove the absolute sign, inside absolute minus is coming. Leave minus sign and write 3. Now 12 plus 6 we will do. 12 plus 6 is 18 minus 3. When we will do 18 minus 3, then our answer will be 15. So this is your final answer of third part. Now see part number 5th. Fifth part. Fifth part. Absolute of 273 minus absolute of minus 343 minus absolute of 12 plus absolute of minus 2. This is the question. First of all, what we have to do? The absolute sign we will remove. Answer will be 273 minus sign. Absolute when we will remove, this minus will also get removed. Answer will be 343 minus absolute we will remove. Answer will be 12 plus absolute we will remove. Minus also will get removed. Answer will be 2. Now these two numbers we have to solve. One is having plus sign, another one is having minus sign. So plus and minus is minus. So we will subtract them. 343 and 273. We will subtract 0. 40 minus 7 will be 7. 70 is the remainder. Now which one is greater among them? Minus 343 is greater, so we have to put minus sign. Now these two numbers we will solve. Minus and plus is minus. So 12 minus 2 when we will do, answer will be 10. Which one is greater? 12 is greater and 12 is having minus sign. So here also we will put minus sign. Now minus and minus is plus, so we will add them. 70 plus 10 will be 80. But sign is we have to put of greater number. 70 is greater, 70 is minus. That's why here we will put minus 80. So this is your final answer of question number 4, 5th part. Now rest of the parts you have to do by yourself. Now question number 5th, true false we have to tell. First part, the largest integer is 9999. This is false. Why this is false? Because 9999 is 4-digit integer. This is the 4-digit integer. In the question it is not written that largest 4-digit integer. It is written largest integer. Largest integer 5 digit भी मिलेंगे इसके बाद, 6 digit also numbers are there, 7 digits numbers are there, 8 digits number are there. So this is not the largest integer. If in the question it will be written largest 4-digit integer is this, then answer will be true. But now this answer will be false because in the question it is not given that 4-digit integer. Now second part, smallest integer is 0. Smallest integer is 0? No. Less than 0, so many integers are there. Less than 0, minus 1 is there, integer. Less than minus 1, minus 2. These all integers are less than 0. So 0 is not the smallest. This is false. Absolute value of any integer is always greater than integer. Absolute value. If we will take absolute value of minus 7, answer will be 7. When we will remove absolute sign, minus will get removed. If we will take absolute of 7, then answer will be 7. So here what you are observing? Here we are taken minus 7, then our answer is coming 7. That means this minus 7 is smaller and answer which is coming is greater one. But in the next example, 7 I have taken and answer is also coming 7. That means 7 and 7 both are equal to each other. In the question it is given that absolute value of any integer is always greater. No, absolute value of integer is not always greater. Here in first example answer is coming greater. Okay, it is okay one. Now in second example when we had checked, here answer is not coming greater. Here answer is coming equal. 7 we have taken and answer is also coming 7. So in the question it is given always answer will be always greater. That means it is false. Answer will not be always greater. Sometime it may come greater, sometime it may come equal also. Okay, that means this is false. Now next one, successor of 125 is, successor means next number. So next means plus 1. So successor of 125 क्या होता है? 126. But in the question it is given 124. That means it is false. Next, the predecessor of minus 123 is minus 124. Predecessor means back number, before number. Before के लिए क्या करना है? minus 1 करना है. So minus 123 is given. If we will do minus 1, then minus and minus will become plus. When we will plus, then answer will be 124 and sign will be of greater number. Which one is greater here? Minus 123 is greater, so we will put minus sign. That means minus 124. In the question also it is given minus 124. That means it is correct. So this exercise is over now. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook. Now we will start exercise number first, B. B exercise we will start now. Question number first. Add the following using number line. First question, first part. Plus 6 plus 2. This is a question. First of all, what you have to do? First of all, we have to remove the bracket. When we will remove the bracket, this is 6. Plus answer will be plus 2. So 6 plus 2 we have to add it with the help of number line. So in order to use number line, what you have to do? Here we will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Here we will take negative number -1, -2, -3. First number is 6, so we will start from 6. Then plus sign is coming. Plus means we have to go right side. So how much number we have to go right? 2 numbers. 1, 2. So right side we will go 2 steps, and here we will write we are doing +2. Now answer is 8. So final answer we are getting here, from 6 we will go and our answer will come 8. So this is the answer of first part. See part number third. Third part is +7 plus -3. First of all we will remove the bracket. 7 as it is, plus and minus will become -3. Now 7 minus 3 we have to show on number line. Here we will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the left side we will take negative number, -1, -2. 7 is here. We will start number line from this. Minus is coming. Minus means you have to go left side. In this plus was there, that's why we are going right side. Now minus is coming, we will come left side. How many steps? 3. 1, 2, 3. After moving 3 steps backward, we will show arrow. We are moving this side. -3. Our answer is 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. On the number line we are showing it is 4 answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2, part number 2. -2 minus minus. First of all we will remove the bracket. So -2 as it is, minus and minus will become +3. So -2 plus 3 we have to solve on number line. So what we will do? Number line we will draw. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will start from -2. This is -2. Then we will add. Add means we have to go right side. Add means we have to go right. Now +3 is coming. So we have to move 3 steps right. 1, 2, 3. After moving 3 steps right side, we will put arrow and we will write here we are doing +3. Answer is from -1 we are moving right side 3 steps. So final answer is coming +1. So this is the number line for second question, second part. Now all the questions are same as I had explained you here. So like this you have to draw the number line. So your homework is you all have to finish exercise number first A as well as first B in your paper.